Welcome. Let's talk about small steps you can take to improve your resume that will have dramatic results in getting you that interview. Okay, let's get started. Number one, numbers. The most important thing. You need to showcase numbers and showcase the value of the work that you did. So instead of just saying that you led trainings, tell me how many led 3 professional development trainings to audiences of 100 plus, impacting 6,000 individuals, right? Put in the numbers that are there because if not, it has no value. I don't know if you delivered one training or 100 trainings. Right? Here's another example from an actual client's resume. Recruited, hired, and managed 2 teams of 15 people with 100% retention rate over 5 years, with 70% of teams directly managed earning master teacher title. Look at all the numbers. That's what you want to do in your bullet points. Okay. Next, results. Did you hear the results there? Show the impact. So I want to know what was improved, costs that were saved, how many people passed something, what the improvement rate was, the decreased expenses. Tell me the results. You didn't just do a job, you were really awesome at it, and they were lucky to have you. Show me on your resume why things are better because of you. Next, make it relevant. We've all done so much in our lives that if we included everything, we would have volumes. But the thing is, not everything we did is relevant to the job. So this is where reading the job posting closely and understanding which of your skills, which of your accomplishments matter to this job will have you taking things off that don't matter to this position. Okay. And as my client Amy said, you can watch the video I did with her. One of the biggest lessons that she learned was when I told her, "Hey, Amy, that may be relevant to you. That's important to you. It's meaningful to you, but it's not meaningful for this job. Understand which of your skills and accomplishments are meaningful for this job. And if it's not relevant, take it off. Save it for another resume. Take off your references. So, for multiple reasons. Number one, you're going to be sending your resume out to all over the internet, and it's not appropriate for us to have other people's names and contact information being thrown around the internet like that. That's number one. Um, Number two, it's outdated, right? It makes you look stale and outdated. So don't even write the 3 words, references upon request. Just leave it off. If they want your references, they'll ask you for that. And the last thing you can do to dramatically improve your resume is keep that format simple. I know that some of those formats on Canva look beautiful when they're colorful. There's graphs, pictures, none of that works. They're not tracking system friendly. They're confusing. They don't allow you the space to move around and put your bullet points where you want them. A plain, simple Word or PDF version is going to be the best bet for having a successful resume. I hope this was super helpful for you. My name is Cindy. I empower transitioning teachers, career changers, and those returning to the workforce to find amazing jobs that match their current why. If you want some more help with this, let's schedule a free 45-minute discovery call to talk about how I can help you to be successful in your job search. I hope you have a super productive week. Always remember your warrior. I'll catch you next week. Have a good one.